Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start our chapter number 3, the poem Footprints in the Sand. This is the poem that is written by Mary Stevenson. So, we'll see some facts about Mary Stevenson. Mary Stevenson was taken birth in 21st August 1869 and she was died in 3rd July 1985, and she was Scottish born Australian community. She belongs to Australian community and she was the political activist. Okay, so we'll see the overview of the poem. Footprints in the Sand is a poem which tells us that God will never desert us, means to say God will never leave us alone, and that we are never alone. Okay, in the difficult situations of our life, God will never leave us alone, especially during our most trying times, means to say that especially in the most difficult times, God will never leave us. God is always there with us. So God is the only person who will be there with us. Many people have claimed to have penned this beautiful dialogue, means to say so many people have written this poem with the God, hence the author's name. That's why author's name is not mentioned here, but mostly you can say that the most of the people say that this poem is written by Mary Stevenson. That's why I had given the name beta. Mary Stevenson's name I have written. Okay, so kindly learn it according to your exam point of view. Okay, so we'll see in the poem. One night I dreamed a dream. Poet said that one night I dreamed a dream. Poet had seen a dream one night as I was walking along the beach, as when poet was walking along the beach with his lord. Lord means God, with her lord. Mary Stevenson was a lady, that's why I am using her for. Okay. Across the dark sky flashed, when the dark sky flashed scenes from my life. Okay, when the dark sky flashed the scenes from my life, means to say so many scenes I have seen, I have remembered from my life. For each scene I noticed, for every scene or every remembrance of my life, I noticed two sets of footprints in the sand. I noticed that there were two footprints in the sand. One belonging to me, one was of me, and another was of my Lord or my God. Clear? After the last scene of my flashed before me, so in his dream she had seen that after the last scene of his life flashed before me, that has come before her eyes, I looked back at the footprints in the sand. So poet had looked back the footprints in the sand. Poet had noticed that at many times along the path of my life, especially at very lowest and the saddest times, there was only one set of footprints. In the difficult situations of my life, I had seen that with the time, with the difficult times, especially I had seen that there was only one set of footprints. So he was so much depressed. If God was with me in every situation, why had he left me? Why had he left me in my saddest time, in my lowest times? He was so much depressed about it. So we'll see what will happen in the next paragraph. So this troubled me This thing troubled him. This thing had depressed him just because in the saddest time God was not with her. That's why she was so much depressed. So I asked Lord about. So poet had asked God about it. Lord, you said once I decided to follow you. You would walk me with me all the way. Ki Lord, you said once that when I had decided to go or I had decided to follow to go somewhere, you told me that you will always follow me, you will always be with me, you will not leave me alone. Then but I noticed that during the saddest and most troublesome times of my life, there was only one footprint. But I noticed that during the most difficult time, when I was so much sad and I was in trouble, there was only one set of footprints. I had seen that there was only one set of footprints in the sand along the beach. When I was going along the beach, only I had seen one set of footprints. So, where were you? So, this question was asked by a poet from God. She said that I don't understand why, when I needed you the most, why you have left me when I needed you the most. You would leave me. Why you have left me when I needed you the most in the difficult time? So this question was asked by poet from the God. He whispered. He told slowly, you can say. My precious child, means to say God had given the answer that he whispered. He had given the answer slowly. My precious child, you are very much precious to me. I love you and will never leave you. You are my precious child. You are very much important for me. I love you so much and never leave you. I will never ever leave you. Never ever. During your trials and testings, even during your difficult times or your testing times, I will never leave you. When you saw only one set of footprints, when you had seen only one set of footprints in the sand, I was then that I carried you. In that situation, you had seen only one set of footprints, I carried you. Means to say this, the footprints that the poet had seen, one set of footprints the poet had seen in the sand was of God's. It was not of yours. Okay, just because in the difficult situations of your life I carried you. So God had given a beautiful answer. So this is the poem that is related to all of us. In the difficult situations we always face all these situations that God please help us, just like this we are doing. So this is related to our own life. Okay, so thank you so much. So if you will have any doubt, we will clear all the doubts in our Zoom class. Thank you.